I choose to stay committed. I choose to stay committed. I've made some decisions about things I can do or I can stop doing that can improve some part of my life. And maybe I'm feeling really good about the results. And maybe a part of me is saying, I can ease off. And we know that's just an old part of me talking. Being frightened about the changes and wanting to get back to my comfort zone. And I'm not going back there. I choose to stay committed. And maybe there's a part of me that's saying I'm not getting the results that I want. And maybe I should give up on this. And I choose to clear that way of thinking. I choose to stick with this. I choose to get better. Staying committed is a gift that I give myself, and I deserve it. And as I stick with it, turns out it's a gift to others. Because my improvement in any area of life benefits others. So I choose to stay committed. Clearing the temptation to give up. All of this temptation to give up. All of this temptation to cheat on my commitment. Maybe just doing a few not doing a few things are okay. But history has shown me those little things turn into big things. And I won't be fooled by that again. I choose to stay committed.